In this video, I'm going to introduce you to the program Bachelor of Commerce with specialization in computer application offered by the Department of Commerce, St. Paul's College, Kalamassery under Mahatma Gandhi University, Kottayam, CBCS Regulation 2017. Let me now introduce you to the program. The program shall be spread over 6 semesters with each semester having duration of 90 days. The medium of instruction shall be English. There should be continuous assessment of students on an internal basis based on the provisions of the regulations and end semester examination conducted by the university. The program is offered in accordance with the UGC minimum standards for the conduct and award of graduate degree. The student has to secure 120 credit to complete this program successfully. These are the program outcomes. The first one, the program aims to make the students employable and self-employment oriented. It aims to make the students learn the writing and interpretation of books of accounts, be conversant with the financial and economic environment, and acquire the management skills required to manage the business. The program includes imparting and developing the oral and written communication, information technology, and statistical skill, as well as legal knowledge. Considering the importance of self-employment, the program aims to develop and inculcate entrepreneurial skills among the students. Overall, the course aims to work on the enrolled students to make them more productive, self-reliant, and constructive for self and society's benefit. Program specific outcomes are at the end of the 3-year BCom program with specialization in computer application, the students will be able to understand the application of business knowledge in both theoretical and practical aspects. Determine the procedures and schedules to be followed on preparing financial statement of companies. Understand the basic concepts and functions of accounting, trade, and computer software. Develop proficiency in management of an organization. Attain skills in conducting the business transactions online. Analyze the scope of the business by adopting modern technology in the business practice. Follow the ethics pertaining to the business transactions. Coming to the program structure, as assigned earlier, this program consists of 6 semesters. In the first semester, there are 5 courses are introduced. First one, Dimensions and Methodology of Business Studies, Financial Accounting 1, Corporate Regulations and Administration, Banking and Insurance. Second semester, the courses are Financial Accounting 2, Business Regulatory Framework, Business Management, and Principles of Business Decisions. In the third semester, the courses are Corporate Accounts 1, Quantitative Techniques for Business 1, Financial Market and Operations, Marketing Management, Computer Application, Information Technology for Business, the theory, and Information Technology for Business, practical. In the fourth semester, the courses are Corporate Accounts 2, Quantitative Techniques for Business 2, Entrepreneurship Development and Project Management, Computer Application, Information Technology for Office Theory, and Information Technology for Office Practical. Semester, the courses are Cost Accounting 1, Environment Management and Human Rights, Financial Management, Computer Application, that's Computerized Accounting Theory, and Computerized Accounting Practical. And in the last semester, the courses are Cost Accounting 2, Advertisement and Sales Management, Auditing and Assurance, Management Accounting, Computer Application, Software for Business and Research, the theory, and Software for Business and Research, practical. Successful completion of this program, following are some of the possible job roles to the learners. A career in commerce offers immense growth as demand for professionals is always on a high. Job opportunities exist right after the program. Jobs for BCom graduates exist in India as well as in abroad. After the completion of BCom, you can apply in any organization for the post of an accountant. Every company requires accountant to keep track the profit and loss of their company. One must have knowledge in areas like basic principles of accountancy, cost accounting, and management accounting to be an accountant. Other than accountant, there are many career options in this field. They are accountant, auditor, consultant, company secretary, business analyst, finance officer, sales analyst, junior analyst, tax accountant, stockbroker, economist, business development trainee, etc. Thank you.